All right, here is the video for 5.1, my honors folks. Number 1 asked me for the vertical asymptote, and my denominator is 3x plus 12. Hopefully you know by now how to find vertical asymptotes. We need to set the denominator equal to 0. When I do that, I get x equals -4. Both the x and the number are important when giving your answer. You need both pieces. Number 2, I'm looking at the graph, says state the vertical asymptote and the slant asymptote and the domain, I believe. No, I'm sorry, just vertical asymptote and domain. I need to delete one of those words. So the vertical asymptote is the dotted line that is going vertically, so the one that's going up and down, and it looks like it passes through x equals 3. Again, the x is important. The domain is everything on my x line except for that specific number. So it will touch every x from -infinity to that number, and then we do the u in the middle, and it picks right back up on the other side of 3 and goes to infinity. Number 3 asks for everything. So we have the function y equals 3x plus 21 over x squared plus 3x minus 28. And it wants to know the slant asymptote, the whole, the asymptote, and the domain. So I want to factor the top. I get 3x plus 7. And I want to factor the bottom. I need to multiply to get -28 and add to get 3. I believe x plus 7 and x minus 4 will do that for me. So my x plus 7's reduce, and I'm left with 3 over x minus 4. So that means I have a whole when x plus 7 equals 0, which is -7. I need to take this x value and I have to plug it into my new reduced function. So I'm going to get 3 over -7 minus 4, which is 3 over -11, which is not very pretty, but that's okay. So my whole is at -7, -11, and then I have a vertical asymptote of x minus 4 equals 0, which is at x equals 4. And last but not least, my domain. Now I'm going to go every single thing except for the whole and the vertical asymptote, and I want to start with the smallest number. So -7 is smaller than +4. So I'm going to start with -7. Pick right back up at -7. I'm going to go to my asymptote of 4. And then I'll pick right back up at 4 and go to +infinity.